Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 24th, Friday morning, and grain markets give it a little bounce here last night. And on a couple things, weather is what traders are watching here going into the weekend. We've got a hurricane in the Atlantic now forecasted to hit shore much further west than originally thought. The Euro model actually has it coming ashore near New Orleans. The averages now are suggesting southeastern Mississippi, so it looks like there's a chance that we could get some moisture up as far as the Ohio River Basin, maybe into southern Indiana, southern Illinois out of this storm, the way it's set up at the moment. So hopes there's for some moisture in that area, helping the late season soybeans and also adding some moisture for winter wheat planting. So that is the positive coming out of the Hurricane Isaac. Also, there's a typhoon and a major disturbance in the Pacific Ocean off of China. That's due to hit China sometime late next week, Thursday, Friday time frame. The forecasters are concerned about the damage it might do to the Dalian port, which is the largest port in China. Also, it's forecast to move up through the about 20% of the corn growing area there. Drew Lerner, our from World Weather Inc., our weather forecaster that we follow closely, he's suggesting that it will do more good than harm. There may be 1 to 2% of the corn damage from it, but the rest of the corn in that area, which a lot of dryness, it could actually be a positive for that area as well. Other news, the excitement from the Pro Farmer crop tour seems to be waning a little bit. They did announce the results of the Iowa yield yesterday, 137.27. That's compared to USDA estimate of 141 in this last report. And the Minnesota number came in at 156.19, which is lower than the USDA number as well. Now the Pro Farmer will release their data this afternoon at 2 o'clock after the markets close, which could give some interesting decisions for the option traders, as they have till 5 o'clock to decide if they want to exercise or not exercise some of the out-of-the-money options. So that will create a little more excitement this weekend, as the traders will have to decide that by late today. We've got the dollar a little stronger here this morning. EU leaders in their shuttle diplomacy that they've been going through here the last few days, various leaders meeting at different locations throughout Europe. That's a kick-the-can issue again. They decided that they're going to meet in about 3 weeks to try to figure it out again. In the meantime, Greece leader is meeting with ECB and some European leaders this coming weekend. So there's going to be some headlines coming out of there over the weekend that certainly will affect early week trading here when it comes to investor confidence and so forth as we go into the last week of August. We do have first notice day next week. We've got we'll have option expiration this afternoon, and a lot of technical traders are looking at a year ago when we topped the corn market on August 28th and the soybean market on August 31st. So a lot of potential excitement here as we go close out this week. So stay in touch with Allendale, and we'll keep you informed the best we can. In the livestock market, we did have cattle trade $1 higher yesterday, but that was $1 higher than some of the lower trades last week. 121 was traded in the south. Last week we traded 120 to 121. We did see lower dressed beef prices paid in Nebraska, however, $2 to $3 lower at 187 to 189 in that area. Choice beef was up, but slightly, up 10 cents. Select up only 7 cents. The pork market is where has producers have been hit hard here in the last couple of days with pork cutout values lower. They were up 47 cents yesterday, but cash markets were down sharply yesterday, and expect weakness today, although packers have got most of their supplies for early next week, so they won't be very aggressive here for this weekend slaughter. So we've got a lot of things going on. We got the Allendale yield survey that's going on currently. We thank all of the producers that have already participated. Anybody that hasn't, we ask that you go to our website, look up the Allendale yield survey, click on there, fill out the few questions that we ask, and hit submit, and we appreciate your help. We've also want to let everybody know that we've got our August Ag Leaders webinar coming up on the 28th, which is Tuesday night at 8 o'clock. You can log in and sign up for that so you can access that live, and we'd be happy to have you attend that. So if you got any questions of any of these things or any questions about the markets, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. Have a safe weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday morning.